And that's testimony by Dr. Fowler. Let's bring in our guest to discuss. Joining me now, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, always great to have you on. Thank you for joining me. If you're the state, what do you do with a witness like this that honestly, at the end of the day, maybe it didn't move the ball forward a lot, but it's necessary to lay the foundation about the fact they tested Karen Read for alcohol and there was presence of alcohol?
I think this witness is important. This is not the witness that's going to really tie in the whole entire forensic and pathology for them with this case. But I think this witness is important. Sometimes it seemed to me like they were fishing, but that's okay because in a state like Massachusetts where you cannot like depose a witness before a trial, sometimes you're not going to know the answer to every single question for every single witness in every single trial. Sometimes you're going to fish a little bit. So I think that the witness was important. It was their witness, right? So they could not ask him leading questions. They had to ask direct questions. But I think that this is the beginning. If they end well with their next expert, I think that when they close this case and they argue the case to the jury, ultimately probably in a couple of months, they can bring in his testimony and give it context, which right now doesn't currently have the context that they want.
Right, I agree. And bringing it context means the jury will then understand what all of this means. So